Hello, in this video let's discuss perfect square trinomial. This is the concept of perfect square trinomial. If your polynomial is a trinomial in the form of a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared, the factored form is a plus minus b squared. And whatever the operation here, either plus or minus, should be used here. Okay, so if this is plus, then plus. If this is minus, then you have minus here. Okay? And to demonstrate this further, let's answer some example problems. For example, let's say we have to factor x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay? Is this a perfect square trinomial? Yes, because I can express this as x squared and then plus 2 times x times 3 and then plus 3 squared. Okay? So let's evaluate. X squared is x squared. 2 times x times 3, that's 6x. 3 squared is 9. And in this form, this is a perfect square trinomial, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Our a is x, while our b is 3. So, the factored form of this, let's follow the formula above. We have a, our a is x, and then plus or minus, we will use plus because we have a plus here. We will use plus. And then b, our b is 3. And then squared. That's it. Another one. X squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay? So let's express this as a perfect square trinomial expression. So we have x squared and then plus 2 times x times 2 and then plus 2 squared. Again, this is in the form of, okay, sorry, this is not plus, this is minus because we have a minus here. So this is minus. So this is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Our a is x, while our b is 2. Okay? Now, what's the factored form? This one. So this is equal to a, our a is x, and then plus or minus, we will use minus because this is a minus here. Okay? So minus b, our b is 2. And then squared. Next, how about y squared plus 12y plus 36? Okay? Y squared, let's write it like this. Y squared. And then plus 12y can be written as 2 times y times 6. And then 36 is 6 squared. This is in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, wherein a is y and b is 6. Okay? Therefore, the factored form is, let's follow this factored formula here. A, our a is y, and then plus or minus right here, and we will use plus because we have a plus here. So plus b, our b is 6, and then squared. Next, say we have x squared minus 26x plus 169. Okay? Let's rewrite this expression like this. So, x squared and then negative 26x is negative 2 times x times 13. Okay? And 169 is simply 13 squared. This is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A is x, while b is 13. So we can find the factored form. The factored form is equal to a, so our a is x, and then minus b, our b is 13, and then squared. Let's try one more. Say we have 4y squared plus 20y plus 25. Okay? This is also a perfect square trinomial because we can express this with 4y squared is equal to 2y and then squared. And then positive 20y can be expressed as 2 times 2y times 5, while 25 is 5 squared. Okay? So this is in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A is 2y, while b is 5. So the factored form is equal to a plus or minus b. So we will use plus because this is addition here. A is 2y plus b, our b is 5. And then squared.